Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You have begun to add your two numbers. You made your tens and ones, and now I'm going to turn off my writing. I'm going to show you how I will solve it. So if I move my tens, I'm going to put all of my tens together. And in order to do that, I'm just going to go ahead and move the ones together because that's one of the steps. First, I'm going to add my tens. I moved this one, that's supposed to be over there. So I went 10, 20, 30, 40. And so I had 40, and I had 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And so I know that I was solving 40 plus 80 equals blank. That was my first step. So let's go ahead and count those together and see how much we have. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. So we did 40 plus 80 equals 120. Okay, but we are not done because we had our numbers, our ones. We had 5 and we had 8. That came from the 8 in 48 and the 5 in 85. So we are solving 5 plus 8 equals blank. So let's go ahead and figure out how many ones we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So now we know that 5 plus 8 equals 13, but we have to put it all together. We can't just say 120 and 13. So we're going to add a new problem, which are the answers that we are going to put together. So first we got 40 plus 8 equals 120. So we'll do 120, and then 5 plus 8 equals 13. So 120 plus 13 equals, let's think, I know that that is 133. So now I know that 45 plus 85 equals 133. And I could also say that 133 equals 48 plus 85. Now I know that the answer is 133. Did you solve it the same? Did you get the same answer? Talk to your partner about those two questions. Have fun!